Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance, interview tips, interview experience I share. So if you have come first time in our channel, you have to subscribe to get this type of news in our channel. So let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about Accenture interview questions and experience, which is very important for all of the candidates who are going to give the Accenture interview in this month or upcoming days. So it's very important for all of those candidates, and I have received few comments also to share interview experience for Accenture also. So I will be sharing here mostly 10 candidates interview experience here, so you will get to know that which type of questions you are going to get in your examination. So if you like the content, please hit the like button and share this news with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's get started. So firstly, we are going to discuss for the first candidate who have given his experience, and the few questions he had received, like he had first given his introduction. He received his interview on 4th of October. He had given his interview, and what is the least subject, why he preferred that one. So in this manner the questions have come. You are able to see that what project did you do, what is the role in your project, ask me about improvements in the project, what certification he did, unsuccessful situation you faced any, what if your team member is not cooperating with you, did you do any internship, if yes, explain it, ask me if I had any questions. So first candidate got these questions, so mostly HR related questions, okay, and few technical questions, and mostly he got his questions from project, okay. Next candidate, his slot was at 11:30 on 4th of October, but sorry, his slot was on 11 a.m., but he started his interview, or interviewer started his interview at 11:30 a.m. He did not ask about self intro. He started asking questions directly. He said his name, degree, he is doing what college, GPA. The question was from certification you have done, why did you choose that language for doing certification, have you done any project, is there any team project, who was the leader, what are the other project you are doing before selecting this one, what was your role, how did you assign role to your teammates, what are the future enhancement of his project, did you face any conflict. So you are able to see they are focusing more about the final year project related experience, okay. So what was your least favorite subject, same questions he got, and what was your grade in it, how did you prepare for it, what do you think you would have done to score more in it, any backlog, any educational gap, this type of HR question, do you have any queries, that's all. Then candidate 3, uh, what is the least favorite subject and why, he again got what project did you do, what is the role in your project, ask me about the sports, what certification he did, ask me if I had any questions. So this was very small interview for him. So for the candidate 4th, he got interview like the interviewer was a lady, and she asked for self intro, she asked about family background, certification that he had done, projects, any questions for him or for her. So that's all. So, and also like few other questions, which college you are belong to, which department, how have you done any project, explain your project, what are the challenge faced in your project, and what courses have you done, future enhancement of the project, what are the algorithms concept you have used, any questions for him or her. So you are able to see most of the candidates having similar pattern of interview experience shared by them. Try to prepare, try to focus on focus more in your final year project, okay. And please prepare very well your introduction, and please prepare very suitable resume, prepare very well your resume. Now for the candidate 5, he also shared like, tell me about yourself, what are you doing now, What is his strength, weakness, hobbies, project related question, explain about project, what are the tools he used, ask me question if he had something, if he had faced any problem, how he handled. And for the candidate 6 also, like tell me about yourself, what are the hobbies, explain about project, ask me if he had any question. Same manner, okay, you are able to see for candidate 7 also, like there one important another interesting questions he received, like challenges and various roles, any event conducted he, pros and cons of working with team and working individual. And candidate 8, he also got few questions same from project. And candidate 9 also, have you done, like what is your project, tell me about the team experience, talking about the certification, how will you manage team conflict, etc. For candidate 10 also, explain DBMS, explain switch case, so tell me about Accenture. These questions you can prepare. Okay, so all the best guys. So hope I really help you. So hit the like button and share this news with your friends and subscribe our channel to stay connected with us. Thank you. And you can join our Telegram channel to discuss these queries and let me know if you have any doubts there. Thank you.